Hello, hi everyone. I'm Mr. Mchomvu. Welcome to Maths and Science Room, and we're going to learn tips in mathematics. We're going to learn Bodmas Rule, and this is a kind of rule or technique that is mostly applied in primary school. So let's enjoy the beauty of mathematics, and we start by working out the equation over there, as you can observe over there. But before going direct to the solving, we have to understand what is Bodmas. So Bodmas, it is an abbreviation. Bodmas. This is just an abbreviation. It's combined different operations in mathematics. And when we are talking about the basic operations, we are talking about these initials to this term Bodmas. So this B, we call it, it stands for brackets. And this O, this one, it is off. So when we say off, it speaks about the powers and the roots. And D is a division. It's a division. The division sign like this one. So when we say the M now, it stands for multiplication. So this is just multiplication. It's multiply sign. And the A is addition, multiplication sign. And the S is a subtraction. So it is subtraction, take away, or we call it minus. So these are the meaning of these initials to the term Bodmas. Now the rule. The rule is the principle. It means you follow what is supposed to be followed. For example, here in the B, it has to be the first, then followed by this one, followed by division, followed by multiplication, followed by addition, and lastly followed by subtraction. That's why we say it's a rule. So it's not just like going, no, we follow the rule, the order of importance. So after having known up to that point, then let us see, maybe we can put in the mathematical language, because that is very important, the information skills. So when we write Bodmas, it means here B, the brackets, and the bracket that's normally primary school, they have to learn this one. This one we call parenthesis brackets. So this off, I say it stands for the off, it's off, but what it depicts the issues of powers and the roots. So the powers, we can speak about this, the powers, or we can say x squared. So this is the issues of the roots, and these are the issues of the power. So division, it's just like this one. This is multiplication, or we can use this one. But in primary level, they highly use the sign for multiplication. And this one is addition, and this one is what? Subtraction sign. So all of these are basic operations. So I think now you have a clue about what am I going to do about the question now. So the problem, it looks like that one. So what do? We are looking now at the Bodmas rule. So we say solution. Then we say by using Bodmas rule, because you have to set the method that you are using, or the technique, Bodmas rule. That is very crucial. Then we are looking, we observe now the equation. Here we have brackets, we have everything. But what do we start? We start by opening the brackets. So we open the bracket. We're looking where the bracket is. It is here. So on how to open, we have to simplify first what is inside the bracket. So here we have 2 plus 1. So we simplify by what? By operating. So we add, because there is operation, add. So we operate. So we say 2 plus 1, we get what? 3. So we write 1 plus 2 divide by 3 times 60 plus 3. Then we have 3 here, then plus 2 squared. But we have not opened first. So we have just simplified what is inside. So we are going to open. How we open? We open by the scalar number outside. So we do like this. So it will be this one times 6 plus. Now 3 times 3. So we get 9. Because here between the scalar number and the brackets here, there is operation multiplication. So we multiply. So when we multiply, it means we open the brackets. So that is how we open. Then we plus 2 square. So we'll perform every operation. Then we go to the next operation. If it is bracket, deal with the brackets. Then go to the issues of off, D, and D, so forth. So now we are through with the brackets. We don't have the bracket here. So what next? We go to off. Off, it's the issues of power and the issues of roots. But here we have the power. So we are going to simplify this one first. So here we'll have 1 plus 2 divided by 3 times 6 plus 9 plus. Now this is the short form, exponential form. So how to simplify? It means we repeat multiply this base 2 twice. Because this 2, it speaks that, or it tells, repeat multiply this base 2 twice. So we say it is 2 times 2, we get a 4. After having done up to that point, then we are through with off. We go to division. So the division is here now. So you are looking at the number that's behind that division sign. So they are here. There's 2, and here there's what? And there is a 3. So what do? We say it is 1 now, we plus. So that 2 we divide by what? By 3. We times 6, we plus 9, we plus 4. So that is how we're doing. But also you can simplify this 2, divide by 3, you can put in decimal numbers. But if you are capable of working out with a fraction, so you can end there, working with a fraction without simplifying. So we can do like this one. Now this is all. So we go to multiplication. So what is supposed to be multiplied here? So we have this 2/3 and this 6. So we multiply the whole number parts and the fraction. So it is 1 plus. Now this time this, it means this one you can make it this 6 to be a fraction. By how? Introduce 1 as denominator. So we say 2 times 6, we get a 12 over what? 3 times 1, we get a 3. Then we plus 9, we plus 4. But here, it is simplifiable. We can simplify. And we are allowed because still simplifying here is a division. So it is a step that starts before addition and other cases. So we can just go like this. It is B1 plus, so 12 divided by 3, it is 4. Because when we say 12 over 3, writing this is the same as writing 12 to 3, or it's the same as writing 12 divided by 3. So it's the same concept. So here we get the 4. So now we plus 9, we plus 4. So what remains? It remains only addition. So we are just adding the numbers. So we say this one now plus 4, we get 5. 5 plus 9, we get 14. 14 now plus 4, we get 18. So that's 18 now will be our answer. So as you can observe now, the whole expression contains a lot of operations, can be simplified by the Bodmas rule, and to bring a single constant number, So up to that point, we say 18 is the value of the equation, which has been simplified by using the Bodmas rule. Thank you for watching.